If you can't find the marketing tab in your Shopify admin, don't worry, Shopify has recently updated this section. Let me show you where the marketing tab is now and where its related features have moved. Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. Previously, Shopify displayed a marketing option in the left hand menu. This section was created to create campaigns, track marketing performance, check attribution, and manage other promotional activities. However, after Shopify latest admin update, you will no longer see a tab named marketing. The marketing tab has now been renamed to growth. To find it, log into your Shopify admin and look at the left hand side. Click on growth. In the growth section, you can view your marketing summary, traffic insights, campaign performances, marketing channels, attribution reports, and recent marketing activities. If you want to create or manage a campaign, open growth and then select campaigns. However, if you are looking for marketing automations, those have been moved to Shopify Messaging app, so they might not appear directly under growth. So if you want to manage the automations, just click on apps and then go to messaging, and here you will find the automations. You can set up the automations if you want. So if the Shopify marketing tab is missing or not showing, there is nothing wrong with your store or Shopify account. The tab has now simply been renamed from marketing to growth, and your existing campaigns and marketing information should still be there. I hope this quick video helped you and find the missing Shopify marketing tab and the automations. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to KM Webverse and leave a comment if you need help with another Shopify update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.